Hey there, beautiful and creative souls. Welcome back to my art corner. Today we are going to paint something truly magical. A glowing moon surrounded by a dreamy night sky. So grab your brushes, your paints, and let's bring the night to life together. First, we will start by painting our background. I am using different shades of blue, from deep midnight to soft blue sky, blending them in smooth motion. This will create the feeling of endless misty sky. 4. Now for the star of our painting, the moon. Using white and a touch of pale blue, I am gently filling in the moon's shape. Don't worry about making it perfect. The moon has texture and beauty in its imperfections. Here's the fun part. Adding craters and textures, I'm dabbing my brush with the light blue and white to give the moon its magical uneven surface. Think of it as a painting cloud trapped inside the moon. Here I am softening the moon's edges so it blends beautifully with the sky. And just like that, our magical moonlight scene is. And what's a night sky without stars? Using a thin brush or even splattering with a toothbrush, I'm adding tiny white dots all over the background. This little step brings the whole painting to life. Here our painting is completed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.